Raining. Cloud of fog. Woo! Let's go! Wow, a lot of monkey. See? Hello, monkey. Hello.
Hello, welcome back to Rest Travel. Yeah, now I'm on the way to the top of the mountain, of Boko Mountain. Yeah, I wake up early in the mornings and I drive from the city about 3 hours. Now I'm right at the bottom of the mountain and I will climb up there to go find a better place for camping and with my scooters again. And look at the weather. It is a rainy season, so the sky is not clear yet, and especially I love about this mountain. It has its own weather. No matter how cold or how hot the bottom is, when you go to the top, there's always fog and cloud and beautiful scene when you see from the top. So, and one more thing, I did bring some banana. See, and I will give back to the monkey and see their reaction along the way. Hopefully, if it is raining, and they will come outside also. And let's go!
Yeah, enjoy the POV ride up. Let's go! Awesome! Say one day we leave this world behind, so live a life we shall remember.
Yeah, I just finished wearing my raincoat because the rain started pouring down.
Flowers. Wow, the rain starts pouring down heavier, heavier and heavier. Wow, 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 wow. Unbelievable. Dun, 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 dun. This is the first monkey I see. Hello, monkey. See, we are monkey. Hả? Hả? Nè, thấy không? Little one. À. Small one, the little one. Này. Thấy không? Này. Này. Bố. À. Thấy không ạ? See, they store it in under the mouth. Này. Thấy không? Anh đưa tới nè. Vô hết. Nè. Anh đưa nè. Vô hết. Ao đây vô à? Bố. Anh đưa tới nè. Wow. Rain starts pouring down again. Bố. Mày sao? Bố. Bố. Ba. Bye bye. Hi. Hi. Yeah, just finish the banana and give them more. So let's move to the top of the mountain. Let's go! Wow, a lot of monkey here. But I already wow, those hands. One hand. Oh, yep, one hand from the arm. Wow, after it stopped raining, now the sun is shining. Look at that incredible view. At least you get to see some sunlight, right? Unbelievably beautiful. look at the fog in front of me. It's like I'm driving through the cloud right now. Let's go! Woo! This time not only it is raining, this time it is a fog and raining at the same time. Woo! Awesome! Amazing, man. Let's go! About 10 minutes ago, I just lost my way in the fog. I turned in the wrong direction. I had to turn back, and this is the way. So let's go!
Look at my surrounding, full of fog. I tried to find my location. I tried to find the location that I'm going to camp, but I can't find it anyway because this is the road, the main road that I just drive from the other big main road, and along the way I didn't see a way to the campsite. It is pretty hard to see. Look, fog are everywhere. And it haven't stopped fog yet, and I didn't have a lunch yet, and now it is nearly 12 p.m. So maybe I have to turn back and find the other location of this mountain. So wish me the best of luck. Let's go! Too much fog. Let's go! Yeah, now I just finished eating some snack. Look at that incredible view over there. Yeah, so let's continue to the campsite. Another one. Peace.